because in the end, you are responsible for what you do as a developer and not a programmer. Programming is just a particular part of your profession. So think about that and think about the averageness of the AI. So AI is only mediocre while you can be a highly trained professional, seasoned senior developer. Hello, fellows. Today I want to talk about a very ongoing and a very exciting topic, which is AI in software development. And I want to think about for a moment what AI does to small businesses, small companies which are working in the software development, like small development shops, like startups, like product-driven, tech-driven companies. So what does AI do to us? So first of all, in my opinion, it's a great addition when we see it as a tool. So it's basically a highly advanced tool which is getting better and better. It doesn't substitute anyone at the moment. And I want to explain why. So when you take the AI and you see, for example, the AI is writing text for you, an article, or is writing code for functions, and you watch it how it writes it, and you think, oh, AI is actually able to do that better than I would be able to. In that moment, you are below average. Yeah, I would say you are below average. So let's be honest. The AI is only average because it learns from the internet, the good, the bad things, and there's coming something average out of that. So the AI is not yet able to determine if what the AI was learning is good or bad. So it does mean that it's not really self-improving. And this is what you can see every day when you work with things like AI. It is average. So when it comes to text generation, it's average. When it comes to code generation, it's average. That means that the problem is not the AI. The problem is that the AI just shows you that you actually need to step up your game. And this is what many developers just don't see in their early years. I was one of them, I have to admit. So at some point you think, oh, I can create this, I can create that. And suddenly something comes along and just shows you that it can what you can do faster and better. The thing is, you can overcome that. You can go beyond AI. But what AI is doing is the pure hands-on part. It does programming while you are a software developer. The AI is no software developer yet. It's an average programming, let's say, tool, helper, nothing more. So if you think that this one is better than actually you are, then you should think of what you want to do as a software developer. And the same applies for a company. Okay, so let's say design principles, maintainability, software architecture, connecting the business needs together with technology and all this kind of stuff. This is all part of software development, which means we as software developer need to know those things as well. And of course, those things include soft skills like communicating with clients, with users, translate what they need into software. This is something only humans can do at the moment. And as long as you are good in those things, you don't need to be afraid of anything. Okay. And when it comes to programming, don't see AI as something which harms you. AI is just a highly advanced tool which will help you to program better, but don't rely on what the AI is generating for you. You need to learn to, let's say, determine if the outcome or the output of the AI is an adequate thing to use, a good idea to use, or if you can actually improve that on the fly and implement it into your code. Because in the end, you are responsible for what you do as a developer and not a programmer. Programming is just a particular part of your profession. So think about that and think about the averageness of the AI. So AI is only mediocre while you can be a highly trained professional, seasoned senior developer. So think about that and think about your future. So if you think that the AI is better than you are, then you are below average and you must step up your game. So take this as a advice, and I wish you a great week. Goodbye, everyone.